1, 2, buck my shoe. 3, 4, buck some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. 7, 8, runs are great. 9, 10, let's do it again. Okay.
See it backwards, bro. Yeah.
Okay, rough.
Guys, I think that's fun.
Do you know the one who bookmarked
A dog? Because you want to know why he said
no, he's a dog because one he says woof in the foreparts, and basically you know why you can't find the one who book of my shoes anywhere. It's because their dog shoes is specialized, and under all his clothes it's dog.
Whoa, dude, this sounds so fire!
Bro, that was so far. It's so fire. It's so fire. It's fire. Bro, did you see that? Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at him. It's so cool.